Hello everybody, it's me, King Wario Mari, and today I found a weird guy named from Runforthecube. You can check it out on your own, but he's doing a video on Jelly Belly Pet Rat Gummy Candy. And I already watched a little bit, and it is pretty creepy.
Hello, this is Runforthecube. Today we have a Jelly Belly Pet Rat Gummy Candy. Jelly Belly Pet Rat Gummy Candy. Let's like it open so he can breathe. Fresh air. Pet Rat, time to come here livey. Escape the pakaki. Escape the pakaki.
Yeah, already he sounds like this. I sound like you're almost like Mr. Meeseeks. Mr. Meeseeks. Weird guy.
Pete Rat eyes. Very big and long. Very big and long. The bottom eyes.
After watching this, I have never seen one of these and I don't want to.
Boy. Very good boy. Pete Rat eyes. A very good boy.
I think he's pretending to have a horrible voice and not know how to speak. But if he's not, man, you need to go back to kindergarten.
A rat-tat-tat-tat. A rat-tat-tat-tat. A rat-tat-tat-tat. Smell my fine gear.
Rat-tat-tat was the sound of the drums back in the Revolutionary War. No, that was not what I would.
Smell my fine gear.
Sounds like you're saying spell my funker. What? It's finger. And why the heck would anything want to smell your finger unless it's been boiled? Looks like just red flesh.
Giving my Pete Rat a head massage. A head massage. My Pete Rat has a strong beauty cord. A strong.
AKA a tail.
Cord. I must have this beauty cord.
Okay, no.
Snipe it
not
off.
right. No.
Snipe.
No, don't.
Oh, I like my beauty cord. I ties. Cutie.
You're drunk.
Ties
Oh, no, don't do that. That is wrong, man. Don't cut the eye out. Even if it was real, that's just wrong.
Pete Rat has a brain. I wonder if Pete Rat has a brain.
Oh,
Let's find all you.
This guy should be in a insane asylum.
I think I found his brain. I think I found his brain. I cannot pull it out. I dies stuck inside it. Bam, 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 banana, banana, bam, bam, banana, 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 banana.
Oh man, that is not nice. You're tearing apart the gummy. Okay, yeah, I watched another video of that, and yeah, no. Yeah, let's say he's a little bit crazy. Runforthecube, more like run for death. Technically, it's saying run for the asylum. It should be run for the asylum. Run for the asylum. Drunk. Well, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. I might have nightmares.